Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 71 right here. We have some more parts, and it looks like we're going to be continuing that ring frame support for the body. But let's crack it open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We have two more bottom ring sections. We have yet another internal support and 3 of these ring connectors. All right, to begin this, we're going to bring out the part of the lower ring frame right here that we already assembled, and make sure that the writing on it is facing upwards. And we're going to go ahead and align it just like this. Okay, and you can take these ring connectors here, and those will slide underneath just like that, and you drive 2 4mm silver screws in there, and you do it again here and here to complete the ring frame. All right, and one thing that's important to note, I caught this after the fact, this piece here, the writing actually is facing down. These little nubs need to be symmetrical, as well as these little outcroppings here. Not sure why the writing was printed on the other side, but they are both BF20 pieces, so I'm guessing they just came out of the same mold, but this one has to be reversed. Alright, for this next stage, you're going to need all of these pieces from the previous issues, and basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this frame here and you want to throw it onto this. If you take a look, there are 2 posts on either side, and here we've got 4 holes. Those 2 posts are going to go in the outer holes, and you want to make sure they pop through on both sides, just like that. And you're going to take these supports here, and you're going to want to line it up just like this, okay, so that the smaller end is facing towards the frame, just like this, and you've got the L here with this coming in towards the interior of the piece. And on the bottom end, wow, it is fun holding all this together. There we go. And on the bottom end, you can see you've got these 2 screw holes, and what you're going to want to do is use these longer 8mm screws with the flared head, so that it'll screw in nice and flush. Just like that, though there is some excess on that end. That excess appears to be correct, even in the instructions. So looks like we are definitely using the right screws here, and you can see how they fit nice and flush. And then we just do the same thing for the other side. All right. And there you go, a little bowl looking thing. This is obviously going to be for the bottom of the body. Looking nice. Alright, and that is the end of stage 71. A nice solid piece here. There's going to be some sturdy construction, so I'm really enjoying this. I hope you are too. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.